Hey friends, welcome back to Financially Smart Mind. Today, I want to save you some serious money by showing you 6 things I stopped spending on, and why you should too. Most of these changes felt small, but they made a big difference over time. Let's jump in. Number 1. Daily coffee runs. I used to grab a coffee every morning on my way to work. $4 here, $5 there, that's $100 plus every month. Now I make my coffee at home. Tastes great. Costs cents. And that extra $1,200 a year goes straight to my savings. Number 2. Unused subscription. Netflix, Spotify, fitness app, cloud storage, photo editors. I was paying for stuff I hadn't used in months. I went through my bank statements and canceled everything I didn't need. You'll be shocked how many silent charges you're paying for. Number 3. Fast fashion. I used to buy cheap clothes often, sales, trends, all of it. But they didn't last, and I kept buying more. Now, I buy less, but better quality. It lasts longer, looks better, and saves money in the long run. Number 4. Buying the latest tech. I used to chase the newest phone, tablet, or gadget every year. But honestly, most upgrades don't change much. Now I wait until I need to upgrade, not just want to. That one shift saved me thousands. Number 5. Impulse food delivery. I'm not saying never order food, but I used to do it out of laziness. Almost daily. Now I plan meals, prep ahead, and keep it simple. It's healthier, cheaper, and actually kinda fun to cook at home. Number 6. Paying full price. Coupons, cashback apps, loyalty points. I used to ignore them. Now I use them every chance I get. There's no reason to pay full price for anything, especially online. Use extensions like Honey, Rakuten, or even just search promo code before checking out. Final thoughts. I didn't get rich overnight. I just stopped wasting money on things that didn't really matter. Cutting back doesn't mean living less. It means spending smarter. Which one of these are you guilty of? Be honest, drop it in the comments. And if you want more money-saving tips like this, subscribe now and let's grow your financially smart mind. Thank you for watching.